don't know how many of you know the details relating to Sri Satya Sai water project, which gives water to hundreds and hundreds of villages and big towns in Anantapur district. It was undertaken by Bhagwan Baba himself personally by spending crores and crores of rupees, and then the project is completed. Today, lakhs and lakhs of people receive water at their doorstep because of Bhagwan Baba. When the project was inaugurated, all of them came to Puttaparthi to express their gratitude. All the village panchayat presidents, panchayat samiti members, all of them, about more than 500, 600 people came. I was sitting on the gents side for darshan. There was a place where I was regularly sitting for darshan. So all of them were sitting to my right. Swami completed darshan on the ladies' side, came to the gents' side, stood there and asked a question. He used to stand like this. He stood like this and said, why are you all here? Bangaru, why are you all here today? Suddenly he said. Then they said, Swami, we are here to express our gratitude to you for giving us water, which is not given to us for more than 500 years by no one. For 500 years, no one bothered about giving water to Rayalaseema. The Swami gave that. They said, today at doorstep, we get water, Swami. Every other aspect of lives of people in all these villages went through a tremendous change because of this water project. Everything is changed. It made such a wonderful impact. And Swami looked at all of them and said, what a mistake it is on your part to come and express gratitude to me, Bangaru, he said. I was there listening to him. Yanta tappu Bangaru, yanta tappu. Meeru naku krutajnata cheptara. Why do you express gratitude to me? What a mistake it is. Immediately they said, how is it a mistake to express gratitude to you, Swami? Then Swami said, that sentence still I remember in Telugu. Naku daham vesindi. నేను ఒక ప్రాజెక్ట్ నడిపాను, నేను మంచినీళ్ళు తెచ్చుకున్నాను, నేను తాగుతున్నాను, నా దాహం నేను తీర్చుకుంటున్నాను. Do I thank myself? He said, which means I am thirsty, I ran a project, I am getting water, I am drinking water to quench my own thirst. Do I thank myself, Bangaru? He said. They were not able to understand. Then Swami said, Bangaru, all of you are nothing but my own reflections. When you drink water, when your thirst is quenched, my thirst is quenched. Not only that, second step he said was, Bangaru, not only that you give me an opportunity that you need not express gratitude, on the other hand, I need to express gratitude to you for having blessed me with this wonderful opportunity to give you water. All education is nothing but, I tell you, to see yourself in others. Is it possible? How can we do that? And then Swami, after saying this, I see yourselves, he said, Bangaru, it doesn't stop here. That you gave me an opportunity to serve you, I express gratitude to you. He said, I pray to all of you to give me many more opportunities like this to serve you. Bhagwan Baba saying, give me opportunity to serve. What do you think he was doing actually? Think for a minute. For all the time he was on this planet, what was he doing? Give a serious thought to that. He was serving us. He was serving us without rest. Even a single day, Swami did not rest.